Welcome to our comprehensive review, where today we take an in-depth look at the ProtoArc EKM01 Plus ergonomic keyboard mouse paired with the EC200 gray office chair. In the fast-paced modern work environment, having the right tools for long hours at a desk is essential, and this product combination is engineered to bring both comfort and efficiency to professionals on the go. Let's start with the keyboard and mouse. The ProtoArc EKM01 Plus features a full-size layout with a curved and split keyframe design that helps in positioning your wrist and forearm in a more natural, relaxed manner. This design reduces the risk of fatigue and repetitive stress injuries. Additionally, the wireless ergonomic keyboard and mouse can be connected to up to 3 devices at the same time via the USB receiver or Bluetooth. This flexibility is especially appealing to those who frequently switch between devices, such as professionals using both a desktop and a tablet or smartphone. The product is compatible across a broad range of platforms including Windows 7, 8, 10, Mac OS X 10.112, and Android 4.3 or higher, which sets it apart from many similar products that may offer limited compatibility. Moving on to the EC200 gray office chair, this seating solution is designed for modern professionals. The chair promotes a healthy office work environment featuring adjustable lumbar support, seat depth, backrest, and seat height. With multi-dimensional headrest and large armrests, it comfortably accommodates individuals ranging from 5'4" to 6'3" and supports up to 280 pounds. The two-way adjustable lumbar support includes 4-direction customization for height and depth, which contours perfectly to your spine's natural curve. The high-strength mesh back is engineered to evenly distribute pressure and reduce lower back strain by as much as 50%. Furthermore, the chair offers 4 different tilt angles, 90 degrees, 105 degrees, 120 degrees, and 130 degrees, along with tilt tension control to adapt to different working positions, making it ideal whether you're focusing on intense work or taking a moment to relax. In real-life scenarios, users have reported increased productivity and less discomfort during long stretches of typing or computer work. The seamless device switching on the keyboard, along with the ergonomic support provided by the chair, means that there is less need to compromise between comfort and performance. Some users have noted that while the price may be slightly higher than average, the investment is justified by the durability and ergonomic benefits the product offers. For those looking to maximize their experience, we suggest taking time to properly adjust the chair settings to suit your body and workstation. Keep firmware updates for your keyboard on check and explore using the Bluetooth connectivity across your devices. Overall, this combination stands out against competitors by providing versatile connectivity and superior ergonomic design. Thank you for listening, and hello to all our viewers. We hope you enjoy a more comfortable and productive workday with ProtoArc and EC200.